We have been following the progress of the Dracut, Massachusetts Centre School, which was built in the 1890s. Now, decades of elementary foot traffic took its toll and the building fell into disrepair. But the town wanted to save it, and fortunately, some local veterans are going to be the beneficiaries of that. That's because this is going to become 9 affordable housing units for some former service members, and it's all going to be done in about 4 months. The building is protected by the Historic Commission, and that means that its details, like the windowsills, have to be restored to their original look. So we are off to a local mill shop. Hey, Rob. Good to see you.
Hey, Kevin. Nice to see you.
So looks like you're going to be making some sills for us. You got the victim right here.
Yeah, this is the original sill.
Ooh, how bad was it?
Pretty bad. Typically, we get the best one. So this one is not bad, but covered with lead paint.
Yep, okay.
I assume there's a lot of rotten ones at the building.
Gotcha. So what's the process for replicating?
All right, the process is we cut off a piece. It goes into our drafting, it's scanned into the computer. They clean it up, convert it to a CAD file, and email it to the knife grinder that we use.
So custom knives for most of the jobs?
Yes. This is a sample of a 9-inch custom knife.
Oh, okay.
Careful.
Okay, thank you.
She's a little sharp.
Gotcha. So I'm looking at a profile there. There's a little detail on the end. Okay. What are we making them out of, the new ones?
We're going to be making them out of South American Spanish cedar.
Cool. All right. Okay, that's an impressive machine.
Thank you. The original.
Holy smokes. Looks like you guys are going to pass the historical district right there. That's perfect. And then times 20, right?
Times 20.
All right. Well, we look forward to having them up on the job site. Thank you, Rob.
Very good. Thank you.
Hey, Leo.
How you doing, Kevin?
All right. So here's 19 more in the truck. Spanish cedar, ready for you to go.
Thank you.
So what's your process for getting these new sills to fit perfectly into those old openings?
So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna pull out the old one from the window. We're gonna lay it right on top of this one. We're gonna draw out the profile
So just
to get an exact match. Exactly. We have a template in the window already. There's no reason to go out there and measure it.
Okay.
And it's already fit perfectly for that, so we can just put it right in.
Okay. Okay, looks pretty good right there. I'll hand that to you.
Thank you. Just gonna hang this over here.
Got this side.
It's a pretty snug fit.
So a couple shims there, Leo?
Yep. To help hold it in place.
Yep.
We're gonna screw in from the sides.
Okay. Couple screws not going anywhere. No. New sills, and we got the old windows getting restored. That's going to be a great look.
Yep, they're gonna be coming in as soon as we're done with the sills. They're gonna have the new windows coming in as well.
Beautiful. Thank you, guys. Terrific.
No problem.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.